Got my feet up, resting high, floating clouds drift in the sky. Every moment passes by, waking dreams and lullabies. Coffee sips and vinyl spins, daylight fades and night begins. Endless thoughts with no clear lines, finding peace in chaotic minds. Waves of echoes fill the air, calm and still without a care. Chasing shadows, light and free, sailing in my mind's own sea. Lazy days and hazy nights, streetlights whisper gentle sights, silent songs in moonlit breeze, drifting softly through the trees. Time stands still in slow embrace.
Staring at the ceiling cracks, lost in thoughts, can't turn back. Midnight whispers in my ear, chasing shadows, no fear. Old
time waste, broken clocks and silent starlit nights and faded dreams, whispered words and moonlit schemes, broken radios play soft tunes in the quiet of our afternoons. City lights, they fade away in the haze of yesterday. Old sneakers on the dusty road, memories of stories untold. We chase the stars and hold the breeze in a world that moves with ease. Silent echoes in the rain serenade our sweet refrain. Coffee stains on paper hearts, hidden notes in shopping carts, echoes of a life well spent, moments lost and hours lent. Underneath the twilight gleam, magic lives within our dreams. Time stands still in woven threads as we lay in starlit nights and faded dreams, whispered words and moonlit schemes, broken radios play soft tunes in the quiet of our afternoons. City lights, they fade away in the haze of yesterday. Old sneakers on the dusty road, memories of stories untold. We chase the stars and hold the breeze in a world that moves with ease. Silent echoes in the rain serenade our sweet refrain. Coffee stains on paper hearts, hidden notes in shopping carts, echoes of a life well spent, moments lost and hours lent. Underneath the twilight gleam, magic lives.
Night whispers secrets I can't keep. Stars wink but I can't sleep. City hums a midnight lullaby underneath the velvet sky. Clock ticks slow but time slips fast. Memories fade but feelings last. Moonlight paints the world in gray. Sometimes dreams just drift away. Lights off, tune me in to the static hum within, lost in thoughts that softly sway as the night steals day. Echoes of a distant breeze, rustling leaves on quiet trees. Street lamps flicker, shadows cast moments never seem to last. Hearts beat like an ancient drum, silent songs that leave you numb. Wander through the sleepless maze, tracing lines on windows.